So guys, let's start. First, let's quickly see what we got inside the box. Firstly, we got some quick guides to set up the device. Then we got a 15-watt cable adapter, and then we have the main device, the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot 3rd Gen. First, let's move on to the quick adapter. Now, as you can see, it has the power mentioned up here. It's 15 watt, and it's a adapter from Amazon, which is made officially for this device. And it's a squarish adapter, and it has a different cable ending, which can be used to plug into this device. Now, let's move on to the device. This is the Amazon Alexa Echo Dot 3rd Gen color white. Now, if we see this, we have an Amazon logo at the bottom. We have the main logo like this. You might not be able to see it. And then we have the barcode for this product. On the top, we have 4 main buttons, which are the main interface of this device. This is the mute button, from which you can mute the device to hearing you. This is the volume plus and minus buttons for any song you play or any media you play upon it. You can also control its voice volume by clicking these buttons. And now this is the setup mode button. If you hold this button for some particular time, it will go into setup mode and you can set it up into a new device or anything else. Now let's see the structure of this device. If we see the device, the side is coated with very good fabric. It covers the speaker, and we also have 2 cables here. One is for the cable adapter and the second one is for the aux. And now we can also see a very good model. It's white in color. It can be used for desks, it can be used in your office, it can be used anywhere you want it to. 2 main things which you want are Wi-Fi and power supply. Those 2 things are the main, and you also need it to be set up. Now let's go to the quick guides. These quick guides can show you the setup. There's a separate piece or a chart, as you can say, with things to try. You can use music and radio, use and information, call and messaging, alarms, times, reminders and lists, question and answer, shopping, smart home, use this anytime, Alexa अब हिंदी में बोलती है. This is a new addition to the India version of this device. For more examples, you can go to things to try in the Alexa app. And this here is the instructions of if this gets damaged, if the device gets damaged, how you can dispose it and how much time is the warranty for, and all the Amazon terms and policies, all these safety informations and such things. And if we see the specifications of this device, its size is 99 by 99 by 43 mm. Its weight is 300 grams. Its Wi-Fi connectivity is dual band Wi-Fi. Its generic name, we can say it as a speaker. It is available in the speakers option in Amazon. The system requirements are Echo Dot comes ready to connect your Wi-Fi. The Alexa app is compatible with Fire OS, iOS, Android, and also accessible via your web browser. Certain skills and services may require subscription or other fees. The audio has a built-in speaker for voice feedback when not connected to external speakers. It has a 3.5 mm stereo audio input for use with external speakers. Audio cable is not included. You have to buy it on your own, or you have to connect it from your home, the ones which you have previously. Its Bluetooth connectivity is Advanced Audio Distribution Profile A2DP, which is supported for audio streaming from your mobile device to Echo Dot or Echo Dot to your Bluetooth speaker. It is a audio or video remote control profile AVRCP for voice control of connected mobile devices. Hands-free voice control is not supported for Mac OS X devices. Bluetooth speakers requiring PIN codes are also not supported. Its warranty and services, EcoDot is sold with a limited warranty of only 1 year. Use of EcoDot is subject to the terms and service. Its item quantity is 1. You can also order 2 if you want to give someone. Its country of origin is China. And included in the box, as I showed you before, is the EcoDot, the power adapter of 15 watt and some quick start guides. Now I'll connect the device to a power supply and see what can we do to it. It will take a few minutes to boot up, so I'll put that in a transition. I will show the cable in which you have to put the device, connect the device into. This cable here has a thin rod kind of thing going in the middle. You have to put this in this. And now you have to connect it to any power supply nearby. You have to connect this 15 watt adapter into any available power supply nearby. I'll just quickly plug it in. Yes. Now it's plugged in. It will take a few minutes to boot. So until that, I'll put that up in a transition. So the device is now on, and if I use the catchword which it recognizes, which is the word Alexa. As I said the word, it already sees my voice. So I'll mute this one now. And now I'll take out
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay. That was a very interesting reply. Now I'll take out the things to try and I'll ask some things. Alexa, play 90s Bollywood music.
The station, 90s Bollywood, on Amazon Music.
Now it will start playing some Bollywood music. You can also command her to forward the song by 10 seconds. Alexa, forward the song by 10 seconds. Now the song got forwarded by 10 seconds. Alexa, rewind the song by 10 seconds. Now the song has started from the beginning again. So now let's cancel. Alexa, cancel. Now let's do a news and information. Alexa, what happened this week?
Here's what's happening around the world. From India today, Sri Lanka has defeated India by 4 wickets in the second T20 international to level the three-match series 1-1 at the Apramadasa Stadium in Colombo. The Union Home Ministry has extended the COVID-19 guidelines.
It will say many more headlines like this.
Novak
Alexa,
Djokovic has
cancel. Now
Goodbye.
let's Alexa, track my latest order.
A package for Dilip order was delivered yesterday containing security camera and Zebrolix Vape Fit 5220CH. A package for
Alexa,
Dilip order was
cancel. Now we can also control our smart bulb. Let me bring the smart bulb that I have at home connected to Alexa. So as you can see here, I have the smart bulb. It's a Xiaomi bulb. It's called Yeelink bulb. Now let's command to change its light color. Alexa, change the light color to red.
The LED smart color bulb B22 isn't responding. Please check its network connection and power supply.
It will say that sometimes, but it will always change the color. Now let me just see what's the problem and we'll continue the video. So now the device is responding again. Now let's order Alexa to change the brightness. Alexa, change the brightness to 70.
Sorry, what device?
The light bulb.
Okay.
Now the brightness has decreased by a lot. It might not be showing in the camera because it's a very bright light. Alexa, change the brightness of the light to 40%.
Okay.
it has made a significant change in it. Now it has decreased automatically. Now let's do some things like now let's order Alexa some things in Hindi. Alexa, बॉलीवुड के लेटेस्ट गाने सुनाओ.
Amazon Music पर playlist Fresh Hindi.
And it will start playing Hindi songs. Alexa, cancel. So this is all for the Amazon Echo Dot 3rd Gen. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. So guys, let's start. The heavenly side, Northern Lights. What are Northern Lights? The Northern Lights, called the Aurora Borealis, and the Southern Lights, Aurora Australis, appear when tiny particles come out from the sun and hit Earth's atmosphere. The particles give some of their energy to small particles of gases in the upper atmosphere. But the gas particles cannot hold the energy. They quickly give it off as another kind of energy. The color of light, what we call the aurora,